Hi, Drew. I really enjoy your channel. I've been subscribed for a few years now, and I have a few questions. So I was wondering how you manage to communicate with people in other countries without knowing their language, and what the best way to learn the basics in a language is before you visit that country.
Ryan, thank you so much. That's a wonderful question. Um, the truth is, I don't always know the words in other languages. I try to know like 10 words. Hello, please, thank you, how are you? And so I just find that on YouTube. If you go to YouTube and type in like top 10 words in Arabic, it'll be a video and you can learn it. Um, but truthfully, I always find local friends, and then they kind of help me with translation, with navigation, with making sure I'm safe. And I recommend anybody to have local friends. And there are various ways to find them in other countries. So, but also like if I don't know the language, it's also fun because you can still try to communicate using your hands. You don't always have to have like a fluent conversation. There's always ways to let people know if you're hungry, you can easily communicate that to someone, or if you're looking for a bathroom, you can also easily communicate that. So it's also part of the fun of travel and part of the challenge. So it might be intimidating at first, but the more you do it, it just becomes really fun.
Yeah. How do you recommend making local friends to
Yeah.
travel?
At this point, I usually find them through social media, Instagram, and it's not always followers. Sometimes you can look under hashtags of certain countries, or you can look under Facebook groups of common interests, and then directly message people. Or there's a website called Couchsurfing, which is like where like-minded people, travelers, and locals get together, and you can stay with them for free. But also they have communities that you can just reach out to people in any country. So it's really, really convenient. And there are many other ways to find local friends, but that's usually where I start.